Alright, quick update on the Focus and the Sidewinder Kit. If you haven't seen, I already did the battery relocation on this. So the battery's now in the trunk. I have a bunch of shit in the trunk, so I can't show you that. Go click the other video. Intake is out. Turbo's next and downpipe. And the exhale kit needs to come out as well. And then we can finally mock up the crossbar of the manifold. So it should sit it right over here. What else we got to do? I am losing compression in cylinder 1, so I do have another motor on the way that I was planning to build, but it might have to go straight in. So we'll see about that. But for the most part, the next step is exhale kit out, downpipe out, probably sensors out as well, and then rear engine mount as well needs to come, I believe, loose or out. I'm not entirely sure. I loosened it when I did the big turbo kit in it that's currently down there, right there. I loosened it, but I heard to take it all the way out, I need to take the motor mount out. And I think the big thing is also cleaning. Looks like a fucking bomb. So we'll see. Exhale kit needs to come out, which is going to be sitting up here. Ooh. And exhale kit is out. So tile blow off valve, I think purple is the only one that they had at the time, and I totally forgot that you needed to relocate the blow off valve on the BNR ST71, so I had to order that last minute. Let's check underneath. Some like oil kind of. I don't know where that's coming from. I think I just scraped the fuck out of it. Looks good for the most part. Sweet. Now climbing under, I believe this here needs to be loose so I can swing the motor, if I'm not mistaken. I could be, but I definitely know that this belly pan might need to come out, if I'm not mistaken. Damn, that's rusty. I might spray this up with some WD-40 and just give it a couple minutes. All right. So as of right now, I got charge pipes off the car, and those sit right here. So they're going from my intercooler to right here. So they lead from here to my intercooler. So I got those out because I'll no longer be using anything coming down from here. It's all going to be rerouted up top. Next, I'm taking out my subframe, or this like brace. I just need 2 more bolts, and this is going to come out. I'm going to take off my exhaust, hopefully slide out my downpipe, and then after the downpipe is out, we're going to loosen the rear motor mount. Once that's loose, we're going to be able to rock the motor front and back. I'm going to loosen the turbo and hopefully not pull my axle out. Hopefully I can rock the motor back just enough to pull it out, but I'm not fucking sure. Alright, we got the downpipe out, XL kit out, piping out, battery relocated, looking clean up there. Let's get underneath this thing before it gets dark. So piping out, let me get a little further in, all that out. Nice, clean. The only thing I took out was the brace, and I just slid that pipe right out. Wasn't too bad. But now the turbo has to come out. I know that's a fucking bitch, so I might save that and call it while I'm ahead. Douse those bolts with WD-40 and then come back and crush this tomorrow. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't want to remove the axle, like I said previously, just this mount here. And I'm not sure if I can just loosen this. So if you know in the comments, let me know if I have to loosen it or if I have to take this mount off so the motor can swing front to back to get that out. It looks like this lip right here might catch. All right, I think I'm leaving it off today at this point because I do need to drain all the fluid off the car, coolant and the oil, or the coolant and the oil. And I'm gonna work on cleaning all the bolts. This subframe is, or not subframe, but this is fucking disgusting. I'm gonna clean that up. Bolts are pretty rusty. I'm gonna clean all those bolts up, make sure they go on the car right. I do want to get in here with degreaser and stuff and clean the engine bay up since the turbo is gonna be sitting up here now. And then other than that, clean up valve cover. It just looks non-presentable. That's the progress so far. Battery gone. All that's left in there is the turbo, so that's going to come off. And going to be getting rid of that and the downpipe. And then pretty much all that's left is to throw on the kit, throw the bar back on. And I am painting my cold side of my turbo red. Hopefully it looks good. If not, I'll just kick it in black. These are the bolts, pretty fucking gross. They were pretty stuck on there. Those are stuff everywhere. Probably where gaskets. The rear. Douse that with WD-40. I'm gonna do that again before I leave because those are pretty messed up. I might order a new stud kit for this. I mean, this has under 1,000 miles, but I just don't like how rusty they are already. So that's pretty much it. I have a new catch can on the way. This thing sucks. If you see there, it's leaking like crazy no matter what I do to it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave off for today, and we'll see what happens. Peace out.